We are moving toward an increasingly masked world. In over 120 countries, masks are now a must-have in public spaces. Polls showed that the acceptance of masks grew in many European countries and dozens of US states as the pandemic unfolded. Yet in the early days of the pandemic, politicians and even public health authorities warned people against wearing masks.
I just don't want to wear one myself. I'm feeling good.
So, what is behind the marked change of tune when it comes to mask wearing? Early in the pandemic, mask wearing was strongly advised and commonly practiced in East Asian countries. When the situation intensified in Western countries, many argued against the use of face masks outside hospitals.
People who wear masks are not protecting themselves from the virus.
Some saw mask wearing as an infringement of personal freedom.
If I get corona, I get corona. At the end of the day, I'm not going to let it stop me from partying.
Public health authorities have sent out conflicting messages on the use of masks. Questions over the efficacy of wearing masks have fueled heated political debates and sowed confusion. It became the latest partisan division in a politically divided pandemic.
You preach pseudoscience and safety. Does anyone care about preserving the liberty?
As the debate over mask use raged on, scientists came to understand that the virus has a long incubation period, up to 14 days in most cases, and can spread among people without symptoms. In light of the new findings, many European countries started to issue advisories to wear a mask in public settings, and about half of US states have given similar advice. Dr. Anthony Fauci, a key member of the White House Coronavirus Task Force, later explained why masks weren't recommended from the start.
Do you now regret not advising people more forcefully to wear masks?
I don't regret that, because at that time, there was a paucity of equipment that our healthcare providers needed.
In June, the World Health Organization also changed its guidance on face masks.
In light of evolving evidence, WHO advises that governments should encourage the general public to wear masks where there is widespread transmission and physical distancing is difficult.
As the coronavirus situation spiraled out of control, the calculus for recommending masks in the community has changed.
If you can, use the mask. When you can, use the mask. If you're close to each other, if you're in a group, I would put it on.
The face mask debate has now largely settled. And how the world comes to accept mask wearing shows that science, rather than politics, should guide leaders in setting the pandemic policy.